BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're going to do one of our most requested sauce at the Pit. A sweet South Carolina tangy mustard-based barbecue sauce. You got to check this out. It's awesome. It's easy to do. Requires some butter, all right? And if you head on over to our website, we can be very specific. And it also requires brown sugar. This is a sweet barbecue sauce. Oh, yeah. Get that brown sugar in there. Now, if you're one of them, health nut zombies, you're at the wrong place right now, right? This is healthy for you. All right. Not only the brown sugar, in goes the white cane sugar. Yep. It's part of this. Definitely adds additional flavor to this sauce. Oh, yeah. Give it a mix as you're heating it up. Now, the mustard. You got to use the yellow mustard, right? Oh, just get it in there. Oh. It's all about the yellow mustard in this recipe, as you can probably tell, right? Get it all mixed. I am telling you, you want to make a bucket of this. Keep it in the refrigerator for a few weeks. In goes more tangy. This is, of course, apple cider vinegar. Taking it to the next level. Now, I know a lot of you just love this South Carolina or variation of the South Carolina barbecue sauce, so I don't need to say much how good this is. Now, we've got some red pepper flake going in there. We've got some fresh ground black peppercorn. Oh, yeah, baby.
Coming together, yeah.
Oh, give it a taste. Unbelievable. All right, so we're going to be doing the chicken, although you could put this tangy barbecue sauce on pork, right? You could put it on beef. You could put it on anything you want. We're going to put it on just some whole half chicken here, right? Split chicken. Oh, man, I'm telling you. Just slow cook it. You'll keep it nice and tender. The flavoring is outrageous in here. Take a look. It doesn't take long. Oh, man. Lord have mercy. That sweet and tangy yellow barbecue sauce. Are you kidding me? You know it's moist and tender. Oh, man. So, of course, this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat it in front of you, and we're not apologizing. You can head on over to our website to get the recipe. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.